Best AI video editing tools tested and ranked. Video editing used to be the biggest bottleneck for content creators. You would spend hours cutting clips, syncing audios, adding different captions, or even color grading. And that was before you even touched the actual thumbnail. Now, for a lot of people, that time cost alone was the reason they never posted consistently and or why they outsourced editing and watched their margins shrink. Now, AI has changed that equation. In the last 2 years, a wave of AI powered video editing tools has hit the market, and some of them are genuinely impressive. They cut your editing time in half, auto generate captions, and even remove silences with cleaned up audio. But not all of them are worth your time or even your money. Some are overhyped, some are great at one thing and weak at everything else, some are built for beginners and fall apart the moment you need something more advanced. So I tested them. I went through the most talked about AI video editing tools available right now, put them through real editing tasks, and I'm going to rank them for you. So let's go ahead and get straight into them. Now, first of all, why does AI video editing actually matter right now? Now, the demand for video content has never been higher. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, every platform is pretty much publishing videos. Creators and businesses that aren't producing videos regularly are getting left behind. Reproducing video at volume is obviously hard. The traditional editing softwares like Premiere Pro or even Final Cut Pro are powerful, but it has a steep learning curve and takes serious time investment. AI editing tools solve a specific problem. They compress the time between raw footage and a finished publishable video. They're not replacing professional editors, but for tutorials, explainers, social clips, faceless channels, and business content, they've become genuinely useful. Now, what I'm covering is a video ranked breakdown of the best AI video editing tools right now. I'll go through each one, explain what it does well, and what its weaknesses are. Now, before we get into the ranking, let me be transparent about how I evaluated these. I looked at 5 things. Firstly, ease of use. How fast can a non-editor get a usable result? Secondly, output quality. Does the final video actually look good? Or, does it look like AI generated? Then, third, feature depth. Beyond the flashy AI features, does the tool have enough editing capability to handle real projects? Fourth, speed. How long does rendering and processing take? And fifth, value for money. I tested each tool with the same raw footage, a 10-minute talking head tutorial clip with background noise, some filler words, and no captions. They gave me a consistent baseline to compare results. Now, first and foremost, the tool we're going to be talking about is Descript. Now, Descript is one of the most unique tools in the space, and for a specific type of creator, it's genuinely a game changer. The core idea behind Descript is that it turns your video into a text document. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to transcribe everything that you have given it. It's going to transcribe everything automatically, and then you edit the video by editing the text. Delete a word from the transcript, and that section of video gets cut. It sounds gimmicky until you actually use it. Now, for talking head contents like this, tutorials, interview style videos, this workflow is incredibly fast. You can remove any filler words like ums, uhs, and the awkward pauses in one click with their overdub and silence removal feature. The transcription accuracy is crazy high, and especially for clear English speech. Now, where Descript falls short is in anything beyond dialogue-based editing. So if you're working with B-roll heavy content, music-driven edits, or complex multi-tech projects, the text-based editing model becomes a limitation rather than an advantage. It's also not exactly the cheapest option on this tier. The free tier is quite limited, and of course, the paid plans start at around $16, $24, and $50. So overall rating for Descript, excellent for talking head and tutorial content, limited for more complex editing styles. Now, the second tool that we're going to move over to is called OpusClips. Now, if you're repurposing long-form content into short clips for social media, OpusClips is one of the best tools available for you right now. Now, all you're going to do is you're going to paste in a YouTube URL or upload a video, and it uses AI to actually identify the most engaging moments, cuts them into short form clips, and adds animated captions. The output quality truly surprised me. The clip it selects are genuinely good. It understands context, not just audio energy, so it picks moments that make sense as standalone clips, not just loud or fast moments. The captions are quite clean and customizable, and the aspect ratio conversion for vertical formats is handled pretty much automatically. Now, the limitation is that it is a single purpose tool. It does clip repurposing extremely well, but it's not a full editor. You can build a video from scratch in OpusClip, so think of it as a complement to your main editing workflow, not a replacement. Pricing is going to go ahead and start with free limited exports, and the pro plan is around $15 per month, and it goes so on as you go above. So that is OpusClips. Now we move over to another great software called Runway ML. Now, Runway ML is where things actually start getting more advanced. This is an AI video tool built for people who want to push the boundaries of what AI can do with your video. Not just editing, but actual generation. Now, Runway's Gen 2 and Gen 3 models lets you generate videos from text prompts or even images, and the results have improved dramatically in the past year. So for practical editing, Runway offers background removal, motion tracking, in-painting, which actually lets you remove that works, or it removes objects from video frames, and an AI green screen feature that works without an actual green screen. These are genuinely powerful capabilities that used to require expensive software and technical skill. Now, the trade-off is complexity and cost. Runway has a steeper learning curve than the other tools on this list, and the pricing is totally credit-based, which makes it quite harder to predict your monthly spend, and it's best suited for creators who are doing more cinematic or visually creative work, not standard tutorial or talking head content. So for the average content creator, it may be more than a tool that they need. Moving on, we move over to the fourth tool called Captions AI. Now, Captions AI is obviously, as the name says, one of the best transcriptioning tools, and it has expanded into a more complete AI editor, particularly for vertical short form content as so. Now, if you're recording yourself on your phone and posting to TikTok, Insta Reels, or YouTube Shorts, this tool is built exactly for that workflow. It handles auto captioning very well, arguably the best style captions I tested with a lot of customizational options in fonts, colors, and even animations. It also has an AI eye contact correction feature which adjusts your gaze in the video so you appear to be looking directly at the camera even when they are reading you from a script. Now, the weakness of Captions AI is that it's primarily a mobile-first short-form tool. For longer content tutorials or even desktop-based workflows, it is not the right fit. Pricing is totally subscription-based. So it starts at around $7 a month on the basic plans, but obviously if you go up, you have $25 and even $70. Now, moving over to our fifth platform, we have VEED.io. Now, you probably have heard of this in the past, and VEED.io is actually the most versatile all-in-one option on this list. It is basically a browser-based editor, no downloads are required, and it covers a wide range of features like auto subtitles, noise removal, background removal, screen recording, text-to-speech, and basic multi-track editing. It's not the most powerful tool in any single category, but it does everything at a competent level. Now, for small business owners, educators, or anyone who needs to produce clean, professional-looking videos without a steeper learning curve, VEED is one of the most practical choices. The interface is pretty clean and intuitive, the processing speed is quite fast, and the output quality is consistently solid. The free tier has VEED watermarks on exports, which limits its usefulness for professional work. The paid plans are going to start at around $18 per month, which positions it in the mid-range. Not cheap, but reasonable for what you get. It is the tool I'd recommend for someone who wants one tool that handles most situations well. Now, out of all of these tools, here is where everything lands. For talking head and tutorial content where you're editing based on dialogue, Descript is going to be the strongest choice. For repurposing long form videos into clips, OpusClips is the best in class. For mobile first short form content with great captions, Captions AI is the one to go. For advanced visual effects and AI video generation, you have Runway ML. And for an all-round tool that handles most use cases at a solid level, VEED.io is the most practical. Now, none of these are perfect, and the right one depends entirely on what you're making and how you work with it. But the time savings across all of them are pretty real, and at this point, not using at least one AI tool in your workflow means you're spending significant time on something more than you need to. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.